Yeah, yeah.
My baby got me waiting for a diamond ring.
They should have concerns.
My baby's got me waiting for a diamond ring out in the rain.
But some do it down in the lioness. I hope you felt my best. Yeah. My baby got me standing in the rain, waiting for a diamond ring. That's not even for her wedding ring. And people out here watching me singing to myself while I'm thinking of what to buy. Waiting for the ring to be fitted and I don't mind, cause she's worth it. And I would do it again, given a chance, cause it's her feelings that keep me going. So let it rain, cause I don't care. Cause it's for you, so it's all fair.